Imagine a city where cars drive themselves, buses choose their own routes, and drones deliver packages straight to your door, avoiding traffic jams and bad weather. Sounds like the future? In reality, it's happening right now. In Japan, a country where technology lives its own life. And today, we'll show you how artificial intelligence controls everything around us, from streets to entire cities. Welcome to the world where AI drives Japan. Japan is not just a country of robots, it's a place where science fiction becomes everyday reality. Here, technology isn't developed for show or flashy videos. It's designed to solve real, life-changing problems. For example, Japan has one of the oldest populations in the world. Nearly a third of its citizens are over 65. That means robots and AI aren't for entertainment. They're essential for maintaining health and comfort for millions of people. In hospitals and nursing homes, robots assist nurses in lifting patients, monitor vital signs, remind people to take medication, and even generate simple reports for doctors. This saves time, reduces human workload, and saves hundreds of lives every day. But an aging population is only part of the challenge. Japan is a densely populated country, especially in megacities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Nagoya. Traffic is intense, parking is scarce, and congestion is a constant reality. This is where self-driving transportation systems start to make a real difference. AI-powered buses and taxis not only carry passengers without a driver, but analyze millions of signals in real time. Pedestrian movement, traffic lights, weather conditions, and even unpredictable road situations. This doesn't just optimize transport, it saves lives and hundreds of thousands of hours that people used to spend stuck in traffic. And Japan's geography adds another layer of challenge. The country sits at the junction of tectonic plates, and earthquakes, tsunamis, and typhoons are common. AI and autonomous systems are used here to predict disasters and minimize damage. Robots can inspect damaged buildings, deliver aid to hard-to-reach areas, and intelligent systems control traffic and energy supply during emergencies. Technology here literally saves lives. Finally, AI is entering every corner of life, from transportation to home assistance. In people's homes, AI controls lighting, temperature, and security, helps with cleaning and cooking. In offices, it optimizes schedules and logistics. In cities, it manages infrastructure, traffic lights, and monitors air and water quality. Artificial intelligence and autonomous systems have become more than tools. They are an integral part of everyday life, from personal comfort to public safety. But what does self-driving everything actually mean? Let's look at transportation, the heart of any megacity. In Tokyo and other major cities, self-driving buses and taxis are already being tested. But these aren't ordinary experiments. These vehicles safely transport passengers through streets with heavy traffic, where human drivers often struggle. And it's all thanks to AI, which analyzes thousands of signals every second. Pedestrian movement, the position of other vehicles, traffic lights, road signs, and even unpredictable weather conditions. AI algorithms are trained on millions of kilometers of real-world driving, recognize complex situations, and make split-second decisions that can save lives. For example, if a child suddenly runs into the street or a traffic jam occurs, the system immediately chooses a safe route, reducing the risk of accidents. And it's already working. Test zones have shown a 30–40% reduction in accidents compared to normal roads. But Japan isn't stopping there. The goal is to create fully autonomous urban districts where vehicles appear only on demand. No massive parking lots, no traffic jams, no drivers stuck for hours. Imagine a city where transport is integrated with a mobile app. You call a vehicle, it arrives exactly where you are, picks up passengers along the optimal route, and then returns to charge or moves to another district. This system saves hundreds of thousands of hours every year, reduces air pollution, and makes roads safer for everyone. And this is just the beginning. In the future, AI won't control only buses or taxis. It will manage an entire urban transportation network: trains, trams, freight vehicles, self-driving bikes, and even drones. All elements of the city will work together as a single organism, where every trip is predicted, routes are optimized, and traffic flows smoothly and safely. But AI in Japan doesn't only run vehicles. Drones and robots are already transforming the entire logistics system, from delivery to warehouse management. In remote villages and mountainous regions, drones deliver packages, bypassing narrow roads, traffic, and bad weather. This isn't science fiction, it's real help for people who used to wait days or weeks for deliveries. In major cities, robots sort goods in warehouses faster and more accurately than humans, processing thousands of orders per hour. The system tracks every package, predicts demand, and optimizes delivery routes in real time. Imagine a future where your order arrives at your doorstep within minutes of purchase, with no human involvement. Groceries, meals, medicine, everything is delivered quickly and safely, giving people more time for themselves. And this is only the beginning. AI continues to enter logistics, making delivery not only faster, but also more eco-friendly. Drones and robots reduce the number of trucks on the roads, easing traffic and lowering CO2 emissions. AI doesn't just live in cars and drones, it's already alongside people in everyday life. In hospitals, robots help nurses and doctors lift patients, measure temperature and blood pressure, monitor medication, and even perform basic tests. This saves doctors time and reduces the risk of mistakes, allowing them to focus on the most complex cases. In restaurants and cafes, robots serve meals, prepare orders, and handle payments, serving hundreds of people at once. And in homes for the elderly, robots assist residents, reminding them to take medicine, helping them stand, accompanying them on walks, and even reporting to family or medical staff. And for the Japanese, this is normal. A robot in the home, on the street, or in a store isn't exotic or science fiction. It's just part of daily life. Children grow up with robot toys, students learn with AI tutors, and adults work alongside robotic assistants. In Japan, artificial intelligence doesn't replace humans. It complements them, making life safer, more comfortable, and more efficient. And if today AI controls transport and robots, what about tomorrow? Japanese engineers are building smart cities where every element, from traffic lights to energy systems, is governed by artificial intelligence. A city that reacts to you, predicts congestion, manages energy consumption, and even warns of earthquakes. And this isn't a concept. These districts are already being built. So Japan is showing us the future, a world where AI makes life safer, more convenient, and more efficient, where cars, drones, and robots work together, allowing people to focus on creativity and connection. And the most amazing part? This is only the beginning. The world is changing faster than we think, and AI is already leading Japan into a future that once seemed like pure science fiction. Write your opinions in the comments. Will humanity be able to live together with robots?